struggling with digestive issues, bloating, discomfort, or low energy. You're not alone, and there's a natural path to relief. Introducing our essential guide to herbs and gut detoxification, your comprehensive resource for a healthier digestive system. Discover how to transform your digestive health, reduce inflammation, and restore your gut balance naturally. Herbal remedies have been used for centuries to support digestion. Learn how specific herbs can soothe and strengthen your gut. Take ginger, for instance. It's renowned for its ability to alleviate nausea and aid in overall digestive comfort. Or peppermint, a powerful herb known to calm indigestion and reduce bloating, promoting a sense of ease. Our guide delves into these and many other herbs, providing detailed insights into their benefits and uses. Beyond herbs, we explore evidence-based strategies for effective gut detoxification. It's more than just cleansing. Understanding the role of detoxification is crucial for maintaining overall gut health and vitality. We provide practical tips for incorporating these strategies into your daily life, from diet to lifestyle changes. Imagine a life free from digestive discomfort, filled with energy and clarity. This guide can help you achieve it. Our essential guide to herbs and gut detoxification is your complete roadmap to a healthier, happier gut. It's packed with actionable advice, expert insights, and natural solutions for lasting digestive wellness. Don't wait to transform your health. Download your copy today and embark on your journey to optimal gut health.